Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you are looking for a fungicide to use in your garden, I would recommend this one from Bonide. This is a liquid copper fungicide and it is a ready to use solution, so you don't have to dilute it or mix it and put it in another container. You can just spray and go, which is nice. And this helps to take care of several different diseases that you may find on your plants. I have typically been using this for powdery mildew on things like squash and cucumbers, and it's been very effective, so I keep it in stock in my arsenal of garden supplies in case it comes up. So super simple to use. Again, it is ready to use, so you just spray it out of the bottle directly onto the leaves, and you want to make sure that you do saturate them. And I have definitely noticed that when I use this on things like powdery mildew and other fungal infections on plants, it really does a great job. So if you are dealing with some of those issues and you're looking for something that is a non-chemical solution, then this is a really great option I would recommend. And that's my point of view.